wanted is one of these, a dinosaur skeleton.
Do you love him?
Yep.
And who gave him to you?
Sayuri.
Was it Sayuri?
Yep.
Oh, was it Uncle Will as well?
Yep.
And your cousins?
Yep.
Isn't he great?
Yep. This is from Japan.
That's right.
My cousins from Japan
Yeah.
gave it to me because I love dinosaurs.
It's really cool.
I got my own dinosaur skeleton. And if Rebel saw this, he would say, I don't want to eat that.
No.
It's just wood dinosaur bones.
Yeah, he wouldn't eat it.
No, he would say, ugh, wood dinosaur bones.
Are you going to take it to bed with you tonight?
I'll leave it standing out over my bed on the floor.
Good idea. So
And
it
this
wouldn't
is
break.
a nice present.
It really is. Did you say thank you?
Thank you.